Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Mail. Today we will learn how to write cold emails with AI for local businesses. First of all, open your browser and make sure that you're logged into your ChatGPT account. Now over here you can write in the prompt. Before that you need to select an industry. Let's say we are doing a cold emailing campaign for a salon. So we can write in the prompt, write an email campaign for a salon in which mention how we can help the saloon to boost their sales and hit enter. As you can see that ChatGPT has generated the email and have also mentioned some pointers. We can try this for another industry. Let's say we can try this for doctors. So we can write in the prompt, write an email campaign for a doctor clinic in which mention how we can help him increase his lead generation sales and hit enter. Here you can see that ChatGPT has started to generate the cold emailing campaign. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.